from the mountain, ore or beta is excavated by using explosives or by digging. Then, the parakabod or small-scale miners transport the ores to the leaching plant. AAA is a small-scale gold processing plant in Batobalani, Paracale, Camarines Norte. The first step in the leaching process, ore is crushed into small sand or smaller sized grains using rod mill or ball mill. In cyanide leaching, ore is mixed with cyanide solution, which is composed of cyanide, activated carbon, and charcoal. The cyanide solution and the ore is now placed on the mixing tanks. Agitation takes 24 to 48 hours. The slurry or pregnant solution composed of cyanide dissolves the gold from the crushed ore. It can extract 95% of gold in the ore. The next step is called exit at the tailing pond of the used slurry. This is where the precipitates from the slurry is collected and channeled into the man-made pond called mine tailings, which can contaminate the water reservoir and the surrounding ecosystem. The tailings pond contains trace quantities of hazardous materials like arsenic, cyanide, sulfur, and radioactive materials present in most ores. The collected gold particles will undergo the refining process conducted in the ashing house, where activated carbon is used to further collect gold precipitates. Further refining is done where the copper nitrates that are locked up in gold are separated using nitric acid to dissolve the nitrates but not the gold. Boiling the gold-laden solution using nitric acid. However, the nitric acid vapor escapes at the chimney. Smelting is another process by which the gold precipitate is further refined. Mercury amalgamation is under smelting process, where mercury is added to remove base materials to produce high-grade 99.9% gold. Borax is added to reduce the melting point and viscosity so that it may not carry along the precious gold material. The gold metal is separated from impurities by heating the concentrate to a temperature between 1200 degrees Celsius to 1400 degrees Celsius for 1.5 hours using blowtorch. Slag is removed from the mercury-laden gold. Cooling the sponge gold. Pure gold is malleable, therefore it can be formed into any desired shape. The sponge gold weighs approximately 200 grams. So therefore, if 1 gram is equal to 1,860 pesos, this gold is worth 372,000 pesos. And that's how gold is processed and refined in the leaching plant.